A Duanesburg mother and son facing animal cruelty charges after 19 dogs and a cat got seized from a home there. As Fox 23's Walt McClure tells us, turns out it was another curious dog who kind of sniffed out the evidence that led to this charge.
From the outside, Catherine and Michael Wallace's Duanesburg home doesn't appear all that out of character, but inside is apparently a different story.
Two of the animals were tied up to a wall with no food or water in reach. Other animals were hidden. The one dog actually ran out from under the chair, and the owner didn't even know the dog was there.
That was what Schenectady County SPCA Lieutenant Matt Johnson found once he got inside the house that he first visited Wednesday after complaints from neighbors. The Wallaces would not allow them in, so Johnson said he would be back with a search warrant. Before he could get back the next day, a chocolate lab named HUD made a shocking discovery in Unit 78 at Golden Self-Storage next door.
He stopped by the unit and was sniffing around, and all the puppies started yipping and barking.
Those puppies were chihuahuas of various ages, one in a cage by itself, the other 12 crammed into 3 others, all covered with blankets and a sheet. Sean Golden called the state police, who cut the lock off and seized the animals, then called the SPCA to come help them at the house.
The owners of the animals signed them over, allowed a sentry in, discovered the conditions of the inside, which you can tell from outside. It reeks of urine and fecal matter.
Mrs. Wallace? Hi. My name is Walt McClure from Fox 23 News. I wanted to see if you could take your dogs. No?
The Wallace's neighbors say they were suspicious that there were problems inside the house.
We've never seen the animals outside of the home, so we just all suspected something, was absolutely not right.
But you said you would hear the animals, you'd smell
Yeah, hear the animals. Definite a stench coming from the house.
The animals are being held at the Animal Protective Foundation in Glenville and could be up for adoption late next week. Now, the SPCA is concerned that the Wallaces may have been running a puppy mill because they've gotten reports of them selling animals on Craigslist and other sites, so they want to hear from you if you've had dealings with them. In Duanesburg, Walt McClure, Fox 23 News.